Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can make mosquito repellent sticks. So there are some raw materials you have to select. So number one, there is thinner or spirit. This is dilution material. Spirit or thinner you have to select as a raw material. There are 4 raw materials you have to select for making mosquito incense sticks. So guys, first of all is thinner, and second is perfume. I will select lavender perfume for making mosquito incense sticks, and you can take as per your choice. Okay, and the third raw material is DEP oil. You can see diethyl phthalate oil liquid. This is a important raw material, and the last raw materials is the raw incense stick. You have to select the 4 raw materials. Number 1 thinner, number 2 perfume, number 3 DP oil, and number 4 is raw incense stick you have to select. And finally the main material is T-metofluorine chemical. Yes friends, this is the poison you have to use for kill mosquitoes instantly. Okay, so now I will tell you the liquid formulation and the total solution, how you can make the liquid solution. So number 1 is thinner. You have to take 650 ml. 650 ml you have to take the liquid thinner, or spirit you can take by you can take thinner, or you can take spirit, and this is the quantity is 650 ml. And the next raw materials is DEP oil. You have to take 300 ml. Okay, now 300 ml plus 650 ml equal to 950 ml. You have to take as fragrance. I take lavender perfume. You can take as per your choice. This is 50 ml you have to add. Okay, now the 1 liter is completed, and you have to add this chemical 10 ml per liter. This is the metofluorine poison, and you have to add 10 ml per liter for killing mosquitoes instantly. And after the solution is ready, you just have to dip these sticks to a bucket. Dip after dip you can lift, and this dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours this incense sticks will dry, and after the sticks are dry, you just packing this material and sealed, and finally this material is ready to market. For market, you just view the formulation, you just note down this formulation and make the liquid solution and dip and dry. After dry, you can pack this material. So this is the process to make mosquito repellent sticks, and this is very easy process.